The last one. Just a minute. Thank you so much. You go first. And nothing else? No drinks, nothing at all? I will just complete that. You're welcome.
Brother, you must change glove when you touch meat. After picking up cheese, Mr. Said, you need to change gloves.
Why?
Why? Because you picking bacon and
Bacon
then
is not dirty. It's not that dirty. Why I change?
bacon.
That's what the meat side. I can touch everything.
No, you can't touch.
I'm not touching the salad. Okay.
You can't contaminate the meat.
I'm not eating bacon. This is not halal store. Okay.
No. What I'm saying
What
is,
you are saying is not doesn't make any sense.
it does make sense if you listen to me.
No.
When you touch
The
bacon,
cheese is here. I'm touching ham. I'm touching bacon. I'm touching cheese.
Yeah.
Because it is, that's the way it's working.
no, it's not. That's
No,
wrong.
no,
You get in trouble
that's
for
the way
that.
it's work. If you don't want bacon to touch me, that's your problem, not
No.
mine.
If you need to touch bacon, after touching cheese, you're contaminating the cheese with the meat.
Yeah, the cheese is not halal.
No, it's not about halal. It's health and hygiene, brother.
Why I'm touching the chicken and I'm touching the cheese? Why?
You don't understand. You need to do your hygiene.
No, you don't know hygiene. Your hygiene is cleaning. That's the.
No. You need to do your food hygiene, brother.
No, you don't
Food
know
safety.
You don't know about the hygiene.
I know more than you because I had
You don't know
business.
about the hygiene. You just speaking with the. If you are not.
I'm right.